Hello guys, how you guys doing? Like you already know, this is your boy Claudel from New Life Dance Studio. Today I'm here just to talk to you about a video that going viral. The video is going viral. We don't know why people like it, but it was the first video where me and the Jamaican lady Nicole, she came to our class the first time, and she came to the class just to have fun, to learn, and we recorded video, which is this one I'm gonna show to you in a little bit, where this video reached over 400,000 views. So as you guys can see, it's 412,000 views in 2 months. That means a lot of people share this video, a lot of people watch this video, where we said Haiti and Jamaica dancing Kompa. Yes, she's from Jamaica, and well, you guys know this is me, Haitian. So like I said, she came to our class once, and she enjoyed, she loved it, and right now Nicole she even has more videos on our platform, like example this one right here with 82K, and other videos that she has on our platform. But the main concern is about this one right here, the 2 months one. As you can see, the one right here under the video, as you can see, 412K views. That's a lot of views guys, for someone that learned Kompa or took class for the first time, and then she went viral. Now I'm gonna play the video to show you. I mean, I don't know why people love it. As you can see, 1,000. So 1.9K. People love it, but for some reason, and we have over 312 comments. People say a lot of good things about this video.